Prepare to long, deep stretch where we're mostly working on settle into the position and then breathing through it. Today we're going to need yoga blocks. Bring your body down into a mat. Bring your left knee to the chest and hug it. You are working through this stretch, trying to spot how it stretches your left glute, pushing your left knee to the chest. With each exhale, just a little bit more. And at the end of the stretch, relaxing muscles that are working. If you are confused how to breathe during this practice, you can check out the 5-day breathing challenge, where we are learning 5 different ways to breathe during yoga. Spot your yoga block, place it next to you on your right side, and with next exhale, your left knee on top of this yoga block. Oh, the other one can be underneath your toes if you want. It's just like a coincidence. If that will not be, it will look like something like that. Instead of yoga blocks, you can use pillows. Exhale. Left hand to your left, and you can move your nose towards left fingers. If you're aware of yogi breathing, you can use the one that is comfortable for you. You can go into Ujjayi breath. You can stay with your own breathing, trying to relax it, make it slower than usual. During yin, I like to breathe with my diaphragm. Inhale. I would exhale, move your left knee to the chest, roll it back and push it. For a moment, place your left hand on your left knee and roll it in circles for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more time. And now knee goes to the chest and hug it. Inhale. Exhale, extend your left leg. Settle in. Notice how you feel. Let's bring your yoga block on your left side. Bring your right knee to the chest and hug it. I have injury right here, so with the right leg, I will show you what to do if your knee is acting out. Inhale and exhale. Bring your arm underneath your knee and now push it towards the chest up until you feel the stretch in your glute. Settle in. Find a spot for your arms to hold it so you can feel the stretch in your right glute. That is what's important, right? The pushing the knee is not essential for this one. So I'm going down because I feel my glute better here, and pushing right here, somewhere in the middle of my leg. If you want to breathe with your diaphragm, inhale, expand your rib cage. Exhale, sew the ribs together. Inhale. And with exhale, let's move that left knee all the way to the left, laying your knee on the pillow or on the yoga block, gently pushing it with your left hand. Right hand opens up and you are looking to your right fingers. 1 minute into a twist. Now it's time to observe the left and the right side. Do you feel the difference between one leg and another? If you feel like you want a deeper twist in your lower back, move your chest towards your right fingers, right? Everything goes with the rib cage. Now pushing your left knee down, and then you will feel the decompression from your lower back. With exhale, knee goes to the chest and back where we started. Place your right hand on your right knee and roll for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 more time. Now, both knees will go to the chest and hug it. I can hug left knee, but right knee I will push. Feeling it in your glute. Remember, that's where you are concentrating on. And now let's place both hands on your knees and extend far as your arms allowing you to. And now open your knees and then bring it to the chest. We're going in circles for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and knees to the chest. Inhale and exhale. Place your feet next to your hips. We'll open this one wider than this one. Now think about grabbing the yoga block. Place it next to you. Inhale. And with exhale, raise your hips up. Move the yoga block. You can move it short side or long side up. Now place it right underneath your tailbone. And when you land your tailbone on the block, you feel how your lower back is sliding from it. So the decompression is in your lower back, hands next to your hips, and slowly extend both legs. Shoulders down. Sometimes in this position you can feel it's too much for your lower back. Then go down on the shorter side of the block. Or you can raise your sternum up. Move your shoulder blades towards each other, shoulders towards each other, increasing the arch. Upper back, arms down, externally rotate, palms up. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Now settle into the stretch. We're staying in the stretch for 3 minutes. Don't think it's a leisurely stretch. Think about it as an exploration of your own body. First, you spot the difference between left and right side. Then try to find tension in your body. If you spot a tension in your body, start breathing deeply with each exhale, relaxing that tension. With that breath, give me 5 deep breaths, relaxing the tension with each exhale. and thinking your body as a Play-Doh. It tries to mold around yoga block. Hip flexor becomes softer. Your knees are relaxing, your toes, your fingers. Lower back is decompressing. Relax your eyes, your eyelids, your ears. Everything is sinking down. This one is the last one for today. If you feel like doing another cycle of 5 deep breaths, go ahead and do it. Whenever you're ready, you will step in with both feet, placing them next to your hips. With next exhale, raise your hips up. Remove the block and go down slowly. Relax your shoulders. Then your upper body goes down. Then middle back. Then lower back. And then hips. And then extend your legs. Notice how everything feels. Raise your arms up. Now send them next to your ears. Inhale and exhale, swing up into the seated position. We're all done for today. Thank you for leaving a like and share with me your good vibes. I will see you in the next video.